Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I will show you how to get activation code for ExpressVPN. Now if you're using an ExpressVPN and if you don't know how to get activation code, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, what you will need to do is you will need to go to the ExpressVPN account dashboard. Obviously you can do this by getting started. Go to your account here. And then, after you enter your ExpressVPN credentials and click sign in, you will enter the verification code that is sent to your email, right? Your activation code will appear on the dashboard under the setup your devices. As you can see, this is your activation code. You click the activation code to copy it to your clipboard, right? Here you can actually go and you can copy it to your clipboard, as you can see. So if you need any help and if you don't know where your activation code is, then, or if you cannot see it, then you can go and you can contact basically here you can just go left click it and then you can contact basically ExpressVPN support team. Yeah, pretty much that's how you do it. You just go to set up your devices and then click activation code, and then you will be able to click it and copy it to your clipboard. So that's pretty much how to find and use your ExpressVPN activation code, or how to get an activation code for ExpressVPN. Obviously you will need to buy the ExpressVPN in order to get an activation code. So yeah, that's pretty much it how to get it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.